I hasing the founding the cabbage. Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Dead Rails, and yeah. If you haven't seen Dead Rails before, I think it's like Dusty Trip, but better. It's I really like it. Cassius likes it, and sadly, our other friends, how'd I put this? How'd I put this nicely, Cassius? Nah, you say it, Cassius. I reckon you put it very nicely.
It's just us two for the video.
No, that's not what I mean, but I mean, they're playing a different game so much to the point that they're doing... Bro, I swear to God, bro.
You don't gotta say it like that. They're just playing a different game.
They're
It's just
playing
us
a different game, and I just... I get real mad.
Let's go, bro.
Bro, I still have $50. Oh yeah, grab that daily news and pop it in a train.
How about I throw it over there?
Oh, bomba clad, Cassie bus clad.
Oh.
Oh my god! In it goes. In it. Should I get a revolver, Cassius? Or should I get more fuel?
No. The rubber's bad. It's not a good gun.
Alright, so I should just get more fuel.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, okay. Money! Oh my god, Cassius. Bomba clad, bro. What are you doing?
You know, I'm not grabbing this newspaper. Let's just go.
Bro, we need the... Oh, let's go, crap, then.
Drive the train.
Fine, bro. I'll drive. Let me know if you see a house.
Okay.
Mexico, 80 kilometers away. Oh, I found a house.
I see a house. Oh.
Bro, it doesn't stop
I see a house.
instantly.
I see a dude.
Oh, you gotta edge him. Oh, there's another house up there. Whoa!
Oh, what's this?
In my sack. In my sack it goes.
Yours? No, that's mine.
No. Currency. Oh,
You just stole everything.
gee whiz. No, I didn't.
Drop it.
You gotta have the teapot.
No, bro. Drop the money. I had it first. Drop my money. I'll kill you.
Sure, well, I will after.
Drop the money. I dropped it. That's not the money. Wait, what do I have then?
No, you order.
I already have the money.
Racist. Nah.
Drive the train, boy. Oh, it's still about to head too.
Oh, really?
Yes. Oh,
Oh, I think
there's some zombies.
you might want to whack them. Oh my god, they're fast zombies! Whack them. Into the fuel you go. Where's the other one?
Dead.
Chuck him into the fuel.
This house has nothing in it. Oh, actually,
Oh,
there's
barrel.
junk food.
Barrel has like a lot. Right, grab the barrel, bro. Fuck.
Alright, ready?
No, that's the... Oh, my bomber clap, bro. Just pussy clap bacon. We gotta save up for a turret together, Cassius.
A turret.
Mhm.
I mean, we already have a bunch of valuables. Like, silver about half the stuff, but at least 5.
Yeah, hold on. I'll uninstall this, and you can take it.
Like, weld it? You know, it's mine now.
Yeah, it's yours. That's what I'm saying. So you buy us a turret or something.
At the next checkpoint. Let's go!
Oh,
yeah.
About to get
Oh, wait.
Zombies, careful.
There's a couple houses. Do we take this? I don't think we should.
I think we should take it. There's only 2 zombies out there. Oh, there's 2 zombies out front.
Okay, fine, we can take this. There is also a,
There is a 3rd zombie and there's a unicorn out there. We just gotta edge him. Oh, gooning at its finest. Oh. Yeah,
so it's
now we
months,
take this house Are we gonna go here, take this house, because those zombies will come at us? Oh, we're doing it. Oh my god. You have to go on first, Cassius, uh-oh.
Don't tell me it's a werewolf knife. If it is, we might have to go on the train. Quickly loot. And run. Just run. Ow.
Anything?
Just run. Just get on the train. Wait, is R. Kelly here?
No. I heard that. Oh! Though.
Let's just go.
We have a lot of fuel. I'll weld it after the night's done.
I really wanted to loot that barn, but I guess I can't.
Are barns good or something?
I don't know. I've never seen that before.
Oh, Kelly! I've looked much against it.
Oh yeah, it's a good thing we started driving the train.
Yeah, real. How are we doing on fuel?
It's still-
Pretty good.
They sell for a little bit though.
We better get to the next checkpoint.
Should we just push? Oh wait, there's one right there. Stop. Okay, no, it's still nighttime. Go.
It should be nearly
Go.
daytime. Kill the zombie. Should be nearly daytime. If anything spawns, then we'll just get him.
Oh, we are not beating an R. Kelly, even if there's two of us.
No, I mean like we'll just skedaddle.
Oh, that stuff's worth a lot. Oh, there's about to. Oh yeah, shelf house. It's a shelf house. That's why it's so much stuff.
What? What? What did you say, Cassius? Oh.
It's a shelf house.
Whoa. You can take the shot if you want.
I am going to take the shotgun.
We got bandies.
I could probably.
Take,
Any ammo?
We
How about
definitely
ammo?
take that turret ammo. I'll take all the fuel.
Oh.
Take the junk as well. A lot of
Okay.
junk sells for a lot, you know. Saddle. Oh, we can
Saddle?
ride unicorns now.
Oh. That's how you ride the horse. You don't have to chase them. We should bait a unicorn and sell it.
Yeah, you can try that. I'll just give you. I'm dropping everything on the train, anyways. Right, the fuel goes. Oh my god. Here.
Oh, there's a town up ahead.
Should we loot it?
Nah,
No.
I've only got 6 shots in shotgun, so it's not worth it.
Did you grab the ammo?
Yeah.
Items go at the back, like this stuff.
I don't think we need to.
Don't fill it up. Okay, fine.
Why not?
Let me know if
I don't
there's
think there's a point in dumping stuff here if you have too much inventory space.
No, but I mean like something like the town, we can just, you know. Well, look, if it's on the train, right, like, you're going to buy us a turret, so if you don't have enough money, then use the stuff on the train, but, I mean, feel free. I'll put the turret on the train.
Alright. Let me go ahead and sell my stuff.
I want to see, I'm not going to steal it, but I want to see how it sells for, how much it sells for.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, drop it.
First we have... That doesn't get sold.
No, I'm pretty sure you just, if you use it, you just get money.
It says I have a treasure board card now.
Don't sell that.
You can't sell it.
What was that?
Nice, $5. Nice, $5.
Ooh, $25. Alright. You take my $5.
Oh yeah, okay.
How much money you got?
75.
Oh,
That's not enough.
75.
You know-
Can we sell anything else?
None of this is worth anything, so no. But I could buy some ammo for my shotgun, so that way we can loot the towns.
Yeah, buy as much as you can, because I think we can sell the zombies for 5. And if we get a lot of zombies, then it should be all good.
I was about to say, I don't need too much ammo. Wait, there's a horse.
Yeah, of course.
And general store. Stop.
Wow. What does a general store give again?
Everything, I think.
Oh yeah, it's good for loot, I think, if I remember correctly. But why are you hitting it? Oh, yeah,
Only one zombie, I believe. Nope, there's another one.
oh wow. Yeah, don't waste your ammo on him unless you've got a lot.
We got some coal,
Ooh.
a banjo.
Junk fuel.
Wait.
I'll just collect all the fuel.
I got a camera. We can take photos now. Let's go.
Grab the teapot, remember? I got 7 fuel items. We're fine.
I can play the banjo.
Yep. No, there was one place you could buy a turret from. Must not have been there. Oh, it must be up here.
What is it? That's the trading post. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going!
Shit! Oh shit!
I could kill my shotgun and get his body.
Oh yeah, do that.
Time for you to die.
Oh, Cassius, Cassius! Cassius, get him! Cassius, get him! Oh, is that another
Dead.
one? Oh, there's another
Oh,
one!
another one!
Cassius, shoot him! Cassius, shoot
I'm going to
him!
shoot him.
Shoot him! Cassius, keep shooting! Oh, well
Get on
done.
the train, start driving, boy!
Bro, shoot! No, Cassius!
That was a bad idea.
Bro.
Right, I got the bandage. I got the bandage. Keep going.
Okay. I need to knock him off though. Oh. Gee whiz.
That was a bad idea.
Oh, gee whiz. So now what? Oh. Right, we're here, Cassius. Cassius. Is he getting closer?
What are you doing?
We're here.
Oh, you want to do this? This is...
Yeah, bro.
I bet there's a lot of zombies.
As long as we don't get those ones aggro, we can do house by house. Can you can you drive, Cassius?
No?
Oh, gee whiz.
It's your video, bro.
That's not how that works. Oh my god, bro. Put the barrels where the fuel goes, bomber clads.
Oh, my photo rolled over there.
I didn't even weld.
Start driving, boy.
Yep. You should sit on this chair.
I'm sitting on the chair. Oh. Actually, wait.
This is good.
We're not far out of spawn. If it's... Oh, it's Blood Night.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
They don't know I know this strat.
That nobody knows. For those who know, I'll let you sell everything. Alright. You know what's...
There's another house at the head, by the way.
Yeah, no. How close are we? Because I can't see.
There's no bunch of horses. We're literally right next to it. Stop. I get off.
Jump them! Oh, there's a bunch of fuel in this house. Looks like we're lacking them. I don't know.
You pushed me into him. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot.
it's just fuel. My house! My house! Money! But that's another barrel. We are good on fuel. Oh,
Where's the saddle?
up. We didn't have it. That was last game, remember?
Oh, yeah. Good one. Start driving.
Oh my god, I put that seat up there. There's another seat to the right. No, another house to the right.
There's also another one to the left. Actually, that's just a trading post. Just skip it.
What if there was something good in there, huh?
I told you to skip the trading post, not the burning building.
Oh.
Yeah, now.
Pretty sure that's the stuff with the medkits, right? Oh, there's 2 dynamite already. I think.
Oh.
No, it doesn't look like dynamite. What is that? Is that?
It is dynamite.
That's just the E and the A of general store. Oh, there's literally nothing. Oh!
Barbed
Grab
wire.
that teapot. We need that barbed wire. Actually, yeah, grab the teapot. We can sell it. We are back on a train, fellow huz. Right, apparently the train can go 125 kilometers an hour. Oh, I doubt that. That's a rock. We better hit a rock. Chicken, 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 chicken. Oh my god.
We are not losing a town at night time.
We are looting the town at night time. Oh no, we are not looting the town. No! We are not looting the town. We are not looting the town. Bro, what is this? Cassius, bro, look at this. Oh my
there's
god.
already one.
What, R. Kelly?
What is that? Nah, man.
What?
Our checkpoint.
Oh, hooray! Bro, those zombies are just gonna
How much money do you have?
$10.
Oh, is that right?
Correct. Why are we stopping here? How much money you got?
105.
Oh, we are so close to a turret. Oh, if only I could sell. What can, bro? There's gotta be some.
How much is a carrot toast?
Carrot toss. Carrot toss. It costs
That's my bad.
Bro, how'd you mess up that bad?
I'm buying this rifle.
You should have bought a turret. Did you buy it? Like, how much was the rifle, bro?
70.
And it wasn't more than the shotgun?
It was more than a shotgun.
I really hope that it does more damage than a shotgun.
House left.
Stop! I really hope there's not a R. Kelly in there.
Oh my gosh, there's 2 silver plates.
Right, you grab the junk as well, because it's a $5. Bro, if only you waited, bro. That's so sad.
Silver plates sell for 15, I believe, or 10.
No, it
or
was.
15.
I think it was 25.
No.
Must have been 15.
Alright, let's just go.
Man, I'll have to drive this thing. Shit.
Wait, I need to get on. Where's my chair?
Where is your chair?
Oh, you burnt it, you stupid little cunt.
Oh! We have R. Kelly to worry about.
What the?
Should we kill him?
No.
Okay.
Wait, this is village to the left side, by the way.
Oh, gee whiz.
No. You know, so we hit the checkpoint, like the little railing for train stops.
Why there?
Keep going.
Why there?
Because the zombies can't go up the stairs, remember? Stop. See? They can't get up. What are you doing?
What do you mean? Oh. They're like flies. Here,
Oh, I told you not to go further,
they're
but
done,
no.
so I'll just... Yeah. I'll just pop this right here so they can't hop on. Let me burn these motherfuckers. Let me burn these mofos. Oh my god, Cassius, bro, use your rifle. Oh no, Cassius.
Yeah.
Cassius, bro. Am I cheating? It didn't last very long. Oh, gee whiz. How much ammo does your rifle have? $24? I got you. Collect. Alright, let's go. Surely there's gotta be a doctor here. Oh wow, this is good.
Yeah, but she's in. You just check the ends, boy.
I'm not checking no DMs. Oh, I don't need to go that way, I need to go this way, I think. Oh my god, why am I shooting glitched? Uh-oh.